Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2019-2023 Nissan Altima? It's likely due to a dead key fob battery. First, use the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, to start the car, firmly press the start button with the key fob or place the fob as close to the start button as possible while pressing the brake. This allows the car to detect the fob's RFID chip passively. If this doesn't work, check your fob battery CR2032 and consider replacing it. If problems persist after changing the battery, the next section covers alternative solutions. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, there could be other factors at play. Try cleaning the key fob's contacts and the area around the start button to remove any dirt or corrosion that might interfere with detection. In some cases, interference from other electronic devices can cause detection problems. Move away from potential sources of electronic interference to see if that resolves the issue. As a last resort, your Nissan dealer can reprogram the key fob using specialized equipment to restore proper communication with your vehicle. Some 2022-2023 models may have received over-the-air updates to improve key fob sensitivity. Ensure your car's software is up to date by checking through your vehicle's infotainment system. Remember that trends show a move towards smartphone integration, so you might eventually use your phone as a key. But for now, these troubleshooting steps will get you back on the road.